Hello everyone, it's Rich, DIY Landlord. Hey, I'm down at the rental house, the latest rental house today. I've got it rented and just doing some final touches to get ready for the tenant to move in. One of those is changing out the locks to a new master lock system. So I want to shoot a video to hopefully so you guys can avoid ending up like me and every other landlord I know with a keychain that looks like this. I'm slowly going around and changing all my properties to a master lock system that has interchangeable cores. Now, interchangeable cores look like this. If you can see, this brand is Best Locks, and this is a SFIC type, which is small format interchangeable core lock with 7 pins. And these pins is actually how a locksmith programs these locks to work on a master system. So you will need a locksmith for this. I wouldn't try to do this DIY, I just don't think it's worth it. I have tried to use individual or local locksmiths, and they've been too cost prohibitive. I found the best place to buy these, as well as the deadbolts that these fit into, are on eBay. I use Pop's Locks. He's a guy out in California. He's been doing my locks for years, very reasonable. These are more expensive than a traditional deadbolt, but I think you'll find that the hassle factor with having all these keys and also the ability to change out your locks quickly with a new tenant is worth the expense. Now these, you will need, your keychain as a landlord, you only need 2 keys, the master and a core removal, the key that allows you to pull these cores out and change them. You will still need keys for each individual property. Hopefully you can see inside this box. But I have, each of these is a separate lock set. Some of these have 2 that are keyed alike. So if I have a property that has 2 doors on it, I would use this set so the tenant only has 1 set of keys. In this property here, I actually have a set that 3 are keyed alike. So the front door, back door, and the man door to the garage are all keyed alike. So the tenant only needs 1 key to access all the doors. So let's go over and I'll show you on a lock actually how these are set up and how they work. So when you install these in your rental property, for this portion, you want just a hallway type handle on this. So it doesn't have any locking mechanism on it. So it's just a basic handle that'll turn. If you have the traditional locks that twist, the issue with those in rentals is a tenant can twist this lock, walk out the door, shut it, and realize they forgot their keys, and then you get a call that they're locked out. With this type, the only way to lock it is from the deadbolt on the inside, or if I'm outside, I have to use my key in order to set the deadbolt and lock it. So for you as a landlord, the beauty of these are, 1, you've got 1 master key, and 2, if you need to change the locks, the tenant moves out, you use your core removal key, and you can back out that core. And then you can take this old core, use it somewhere across town, or rotate it as tenants move. And then when you change the lock, all you gotta do is simply put this in, release the cord, and now your lock's secure. So you can change out your locks in under 30 seconds when a tenant moves out. So that's a great benefit of this system. So I hope this video helps you. Please leave comments below if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.